What's up everyone, Tony Iacconi here to give you an inside look at one of the most impactful innovations behind the success of our Super Air Nautique Series, the Nautique Surf System or NSS. Let's dive in and check it out. The NSS is incorporated right into the hull design with wave plates that engage on either side of the transom at surf speeds. These wave plates, along with the actuator, are safeguarded from the elements by custom designed acrylic covers that support an integrated aesthetic. Working in unison with the running surface to create a clean, large and long wave, the wave plate extends outward and down from the transom to intercept and redirect the flow of water. At the touch of a button, surfers can instantly engage the wave plate on the opposite side for easy transitions from front side to back side without shifting ballast or people inside the boat. Controlling the NSS is simple and intuitive. Just choose which side you want to surf, then use the clearly displayed 0 to 10 wave setting on the Link Panorama touchscreen to fine-tune the wave in real time, allowing the driver to adjust on the fly and tailor the experience to the surfer's exact preference. You can create personalized profiles for every member of the family, each storing your preferred speed, ballast configuration, and wave settings for effortless access every time you step on board. Got a new driver at the helm? These profiles eliminate the guesswork, ensuring a consistent, dialed-in experience no matter who's behind the wheel. The Nautique Surf System offers complete wave customization through the adjustable settings of the wave plate and Nautique configurable running surface. The simple 0 to 10 scale allows you to dial in every aspect of your wave, adjusting the boat's running attitude to shape the height, length and profile of the wave to match your exact riding style. It's designed to deliver the best wave you've ever surfed every single set. Every Super Air Nautique model comes equipped with smart actuators that power key onboard systems, including the wave plates within the Nautique Surf System. These advanced actuators deliver real-time feedback to the boat, ensuring superior accuracy, long-term reliability, and repeatable wave performance. It's all part of our commitment to providing an unmatched on-water experience, and smart actuators are just another innovation driving that promise forward. With Nautique Surf Select, you can remotely control your wave while surfing. Our custom app, compatible with a wide range of Garmin watches, you can control the speed, ballast, volume, surf side, and wave shape all from behind the boat. The Nautique Surf Switch, a handheld controller that connects to your wrist, puts the surfer in control for seamless wave transfers at the touch of a button. Eliminating the need for signals and allowing precise timing on every transfer, you can easily alternate between frontside and backside at your convenience. You can enjoy perfect, endless waves all summer long with friends and family thanks to the technology found inside the Nautique Surf System. For more information and to locate your local dealer, visit nautique.com.